जय हिंद बच्चों, welcome to the maths class. Today we learn ahead of chapter first. Today we learn counting from 11 to 20. So let's start. ELEVEN 11. 11 means 11. TWELVE 12. 12 means 12. THIRTEEN 13. 13 means 13. FOURTEEN 14. 14 means 14. FIFTEEN 15. 15 means 15. SIXTEEN 16. 16 means 16. SEVENTEEN 17. 17 means 17. EIGHTEEN 18. 18 means 18. NINETEEN 19. 19 means 19. TWENTY 20. 20 means 20. Finish बच्चों. Your homework is join the dots and color the pictures of parrots and write the numbers and their names from 1 to 20. जय हिंद बच्चों.